We are star. Real star. Hype. We better than. We better than. We say we better than. The other hand. Alright then. Lights, camera, action started. Run out of gas, try push, no park it. No problem, a Jamaican target. We get a couple million now we on the target. You ever think what you would do if you get this money? Me that buy your house a car. Me the girls them funny, but that's a if I probably a when or if you get lucky. It really all depends on me and me crew. We better than me and me crew. Me say we better than me and me crew. Me say we better than me. We are them other man. Yes, we are them other man.
This episode is based upon a true story about a dear friend and family member. And this is one of the reasons why I stopped doing gun lyrics, or so to speak, as I observed one of our songs coming together and coming to life word for word before it was even finished. For those of us out there who are making music, think about what you're putting out. As children are like mirrors, they reflect more than anything else on this planet. And remember, unsupervised cable is able to disable a young mind from God's fruitful table. Yo, Wagwan.
Wagwan, King.
Yo, maybe about a little friction I go on between Clumsy and the one Blacker Shines, you know.
I really don't know Wagwan, you know. But from Black I come from New York, I pure things. But anyway, Clumsy want you finish your tune for the new rhythm for me, you know.
Yeah, man. Problem.
Yeah, man, because I want you to deal with it for them, you know. Because right now I want the crew get a break in the music business. You see what I say? Because right now I look for a fresh sound. Something unique, you see me?
Yeah, man, when it's unique, it's unique, it's weird that.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So how's your daughter?
She good, you know.
Yeah.
All I call me daddy.
Boy. You know what? For my goddaughter's sake still, you know, I want you cool it, stay out of trouble.
Yeah, what you say still, you know. But you and me know say more time you all in your bed asleep and trouble come trouble, you know.
But music is the way still.
That me say too, you know. Yeah, anyway, me I run, you know.
I want you cool it still, you know. Just not make no sense.
I want to keep it cool, you know. But every time I cool it down, it's them throw hot water upon it. Anyway, we see you.
What is?
Visa for go foreign.
I don't understand.
US Link, man, have whole heap of contacts in the music business overseas. Good promoters.
So why am I not interested?
Because you're not seeing the new Grapsy. This man wants us to do a series of shows in New York, New Jersey and Connecticut. Hey, he was at your last show, you know. And guess what? Him love it.
So how come I just hearing about this?
Because he just contacted me this morning.
I've come back to this community and the memories race back like an avalanche. Days seem so bright and hopeful and days filled with so much gloom. You never felt you'd make it to the next one.
Yes, son. I hope you're learning in that bad up. Hey, I hope it. I hope it.
You know, it's a sly rabbit thing. Yeah, man. Hey, you know, some of my tune on it too. Yo, Kappa, run it, run it. Well, if you never go to Vietnam, you never go to what? I don't see them, so don't never go blah blah. Try my shooting, we don't live in sky. How are we apart? Wranglers and what? Bust it up, bust it up, bust it up. Yo, tomorrow one voice it still, you know. But you don't know. Hyper slow it up.
Nah, man, don't say that, man. He's an artist, you know. Take time enough to do things properly.
Yo! My youth. How we are pine finger pan?
I want to Black Shines. You know say DJ, the man a DJ. Where you dealing?
Look here. Me not care for enough farmer misrepresentation around here. You hear me?
Yo, so Blacker shines. What kind of proposal this you bring to me? I really want a proposal that can bring to I.
Yo, Clumsy, nobody get involved in it because you're artist. I mean, the hothead, make me deal with it.
Look here.
Why you deal with black boy?
Anything or anything fall. You know, me just come down and me strap. Oh, me no want no pimp and no punk, pint no finger on my face when I make on the tune. You hear me? Cause me make a whole out no sing funeral song. Oh.
Blacker shines. Warm to you. What are we a family around here, man? Done them vibes, man. You know see what?
You know already, my respect for your hype still in the hype. But a long time the boy the Andrew and me dig off him face, you know. Look here, if I money, we have that. If I petrol, me have that. Girls, me have that. Everything me have. Me come like Audrey Lumber.
No bother with that. No bother with it. Let me tell you straight. Music we say, you know. And you know say that we say, right? Hit a new tune now. Run it. Yo. So when you're living in a garrison, ain't no comparison. Every youth from uptown, you are with them and listen. Tell me little better to it, does come from prison. Hey, MACKA lock the place up with the shine and glisten.
Driver, how much is the fare?
To come up here, sir?
Yeah.
$1,500 that you know.
1,500. But wait, how when the fare is?
Look here, no bother with it. You see now walk put people up here, sir. Eh? A $1,500 to come up here, sir. You have that?
No.
How much you have?
Now about 8 bills.
8 bills?
Yeah.
Give me. 8 bills. Virgin, let me tell you something. $800 done from up a whole up road. So you're going to have to come off right yourself.
Yeah, joker. The man is a comedian.
Oh, I don't have a wife. I don't have a daughter. I don't have a son. Me not a sister, not a brother. No parents. So, do I look like a man need to be running any joke? Get out of my car. And look here. Remember say you owe me. And anywhere me see you, I don't want to hear no accusation, no allegation. Me want me money. You hear me? You hear me?
Yo, hype! I'm down there. So open the door. Go now, open the door. Yeah, man.
Hi, your lunch is in the oven and the goat money is same place.
All right, mommy, later.
Hi, Miss Beatrice. What? If nobody deserves this goat money, I do.
Grabsy,
Huh?
something I go on down say, you know.
You mean with Andrew and Black Shine?
Yeah. Them nearly fight today. I don't get it. How come?
When Andrew left New York, something go down. But nobody no want talk.
I think it's all mixed up in the music and the culture and everything, you know. That's how we make our music. That's how we live. How it come to this?
Wonders and sign. I suspect that this US tour should do us a whole lot of good, you know. If we can inspire some youth to do good in the music, that would be an achievement. Trust me.
Time, just time.
Really.
Slow down, Beatrice. This is not the Formula One Lewis Hamilton. Hit the brakes!
Which one again?
Lift up your head, the brakes! The big one. Take your time, thing, all right? Are you mad, woman?
Look here, Joe, don't call me mad, you know. Because your cold care is the fault here.
No, you is defective. You don't listen. And I done with teaching you. Hey, wait.
Joe, if you tap the nice to that better for me, you know, man.
Why, oh, me mama. Hey,
If you tap the nice
look on the road. Hey, hit the brakes. Let me come out before you go in that gully.
So you make me nervous, you know, Joe, man. Where you feel going so for take time with me now, man.
My heart can't take all of them things. Yeah.
If you don't pay somebody for come teach me how to drive, you know, because and the worst thing for make all no come.
You could have paid anybody for this kind of stress.
What me do again? Feel like the ignition people lock it off.
Now you didn't tell me that earlier. Lock it off.
You're in deep thought. Is that a song you're contemplating?
That's exactly what is happening. Baby, if you were to write a song about what is happening around you, what would you write about?
I would write about love.
Why?
Because it's what inspires me.
So what do you think about the songs that I write?
Songs that you write are lyrically potent, but just a bit too heavy.
Heavy? What do you mean by heavy?
Because I think it spells out too much of the reality, you know?
Phone.
Who's it?
It's your father.
Hi, Daddy. Yeah, I'll soon be there. I'm just floating around. Okay. Bye. You know, I've never met anybody like you, right?
We are star. Real star.
It's official Benzly Hype Stars. Me and my bro, Army G, bless up, you know. We're there, so if you want Me and Mi KRU stuff, just get the link here. See, you want Benzly Hype videos, get the link here. Innocent Kru stuff, click the link here. You understand? This is the official video, so subscribe. One of the new things. You see me I say? We're there, I don't know. Been away for a minute, but we're back. So follow me now. Don't know. See?